I am not joking. I will kill your husband. I will kill you if you fail to pay up this time around. Don't play with me.
Calm down. I'll pay you. First thing tomorrow morning, name in a bank. Straight. Eh?
This is you for real. This is you for real. Really? I went out of my way to help you. What I've never done for anybody.
Not good for anger.
Out of my way to help you, and now you want to ruin my life. I won't watch you do that.
Please calm down. I'll pay you.
You want to bring down everything I've worked for. I won't let you do it.
He's bringing it down.
I'm coming for you. You know me too well. I'm coming back for you.
Calm down.
You're so evil.
If I see no more, the poor Balambony. Eh? What does Salona?
It's okay.
Hey.
See, don't mind him. Go where you're going to.
Yeah.
Yes. You see, I got your back. I am with you on this one. See this one, eh? I take here, get it back for you. Move! What key killed the boom?
Trying to scatter me.
Yes, now move. Gaga. Hey,
if I ask you, have you seen devil before? If I ask you, have you seen devil before? What will be your answer?
He looked me on the face and threatened to kill my husband.
Now I ask, money and woman, which one's enemy of my...
What is it?
Baby.
Are you okay?
I had a dream. A nightmare.
What?
Yes, you were shot.
What?
Baby, you were shot. And I was kidnapped. Are you okay?
Look, I'm fine. Alright? You need to calm down. It's just a dream, and whatever happens in the dream stays there. You don't need to panic too much.
Baby, you know my dreams do come to pass.
I know, but not this one. Right? Nobody is killing anybody. We're not owing anybody. So who's then coming after us? Nobody. Alright? We're not dying. Nobody is shooting us. You will not be kidnapped. Alright? Sleep.
Baby, hold me. Promise me you will not leave me.
You're welcome once again.
Thank you.
And I have some pictures there. You can as well make your choice online, or probably I take you to our car mats. I definitely know you'll make a better choice there. Okay. The one you requested for. RS 350. We have it in red color. Okay. It's out there.
What about this? Is it available?
Yeah, still available. But in white color. Just you want it in white color.
I prefer red, or better still black.
I can as well get you red or black.
This one?
It's there. We have it.
Okay, I think I like what I'm seeing. Then take me to your car mountain.
God, take me to your office. Let me see. Just have it. If I were you, that's what I would do too. You go to the standard and make a better choice. You know it. Yes, sir. Very good, sir. Yes, no problem. I'm actually on my way to the office. Oh, wonderful. Yeah, very good. Ah, What's that?
this man has taken me unaware.
Which man?
Chief Tom, he'll be coming back by the end of the month.
Oh, that's nice. It's a good news. Do you have any problem with that? Let him come now. He's your boss.
Yes, I know he's my boss. I'll be needing the 30 million naira I lent you. Because I need to account for the car I sold for over 6 months.
Oh, and that's why he's coming back, right?
Exactly. And whenever he comes home, it's to take stuff.
It's okay. It's okay. I understand. I still have the money. I'll give it back to you.
Please do.
I will.
Thank you very much. Let me rush to the office. I'll call you.
Hey. I thought you were going to the shop already.
Yeah. Something really came up.
How do you mean?
Ivan said that he'll be needing the money by the end of the month. The 30 million.
How? That is so sudden. I mean, the notice is too short. Why?
Yeah, his Oga called him that he'll be coming into town. I was there when he called to notify him that he'll be coming into town. And whenever he comes, he likes taking stock.
This is serious. So, how much do you have now?
I've not actually used the money. I need to just refund the 30 million back. But that would result us going back to the village.
I don't understand what you're saying. Going back to the village, how? With who? I don't get it.
You see, I just have to refund the money because that's our agreement, okay? I just have to give him back the money since I've not used it. But the consequences might result us relocating back to the
Please,
village.
just stop it. Just stop. What is it about going back to the village? What is it? You want to start from square one? Going back to the village? What are you saying? Pay him instrumental, yes. You just give him part of the money. That is okay?
It's actually going to affect my business, but giving him part of the money is not in our agreement. We didn't agree on that.
Honey, what are you saying?
Don't even go that route. Don't say that again. Going back to square one, it's not possible. Nobody said that you will not give him the money. Yes, you can give him. Just give him some of it.
Keep some for upkeep. That's what I'm trying to say.
Babe, you will not understand. I don't want him to feel betrayed. You know, this thing might affect him. Okay?
I don't like what you're saying. I don't like this attitude. I don't like this I'm seeing on your face right now. Get up! Go to him! Pay him the one you have! Put some in your business! Keep some for us! Listen, fear of poverty is beginning of wisdom. I am not going to any village with you. I hope you know that.
Baby, don't understand. You know, it's not to betray people. You understand?
You don't want to betray people. You don't want to betray people, right? Okay, fine. You will manage. But understand at this moment that if you take that money back and poverty comes to you, I cannot be here with you. I will pick my pens and go back to my parents.
Please, leave me alone and stop it.
I'm going to put this guy in trouble. You know what? This is breach of contract.
Greet your husband for me when you get home. Oh?
No problem, Mama. He will hear.
Hilda,
Well,
do not forget to tell him about the dream I had about him.
sure.
He should be very, very careful of the kind of people he deals with.
Yes, Mama, I'll tell him. I'll tell him.
And don't forget to pray concerning that as well.
Sure. Yeah. Thank you, Mama.
I need your money.
Okay, Mama. Bye-bye.
Joe,
Hello, Evans.
Alpha, did you forget something in my car?
No, not actually. I was going to pay the money to your account. I need your account details.
Wow. That's wonderful. I know I can always count on you.
Yes, but the thing is that I'm not going to pay in all the whole money. I'm just going to pay in 5 million naira for you. Then later.
I don't understand. What do you mean you pay part of the money? Is that our agreement when I give you the money? Huh?
I don't have the money now. It's 5 million naira I can pay for you. I can pay into your account now, please.
Oh, What are you even saying?
See, Evans, I know you've done a lot for me, okay? You've really, really done a lot for me and I appreciate it. If not for you, I would have gone back to the village. My business would have collapsed. But you've helped me a lot, please.
You're not making sense at all. The money is not mine. Joe, what are you saying? The money is not mine.
No, I am not saying that I will not pay in all. I will.
Then pay it now. Pay the money into my account. Do you want me to have problems with my boss? Do you want me to be sacked?
Please, my brother, such will never happen again.
Then pay him the money now. Pay him the money into my account and stop blabbing, stop lamenting. Joe, I don't like all of this happening around me now. I don't like it. Pay him this money into my account. Look, I have a meeting to attend to. Please, I'll go now.
I know, I will try.
Joe, they say one good turn deserves another. I don't want to have issues with you. Pay him this money. Let us have rest of mind. Why are you doing this to me?
I'll try. But please, this is what I have, please.
My brother, do you think I didn't need the money? No. Everything is not okay for me, but I went out of my way to give you this money. Why are you treating me this way? Why? I don't like this. Okay, pay in 20 million naira. Then, by the next month, you pay the rest of the money, 10 million naira. That's all. That's all I can do for you.
If I ask you, have you seen devil before? If I ask you, have you seen devil before? What will be your answer? What will be your answer? Now I ask money and woman, which one is enemy of man?
Hey.
Yeah.
How did you go?
It didn't go well at all. He bluntly refused taking the 5 million naira.
Then go back to your shop. You heard me. Go back to your shop. Even God in heaven knows that you have tried.
Tried?
Yes.
Babe, see, this man has been good to me. So good to me. Is it not better I pay back the whole money? If Chief finally visits and goes back to his base, I can equally go back to Evans and collect the money back. It's very simple.
Can you listen to yourself? Can you listen to yourself? Let me ask. What if he refused giving you the money? What will you do? Listen, my darling. They say that a bird at hand is worth more better than 1 million birds in the bush. You see this one that is in your hand right now? Hold it. I beg you. Please.
My love, one good tongue deserves another. I do not want to wrong this man.
I don't understand. Who said you're wronging him? You're going to wrong anyone? You're not doing anyone wrong. Even God in heaven knows that you have tried. You have tried. You didn't say you're not going to pay this money back. You just want to pay instrumentally. That is it.
But he said that Chief will not take it lightly with him if he finally finds out that this whole thing is... It's just
Sweetheart. See, it's only a madman that will use all the money he has to pay debt. Yes. You don't just do this. You don't just pay debt and allow your family to die in hunger. Nobody does that. You're refusing to understand this thing that I always say now. Fear of poverty is the beginning of wisdom. Take it in your head. It will help you a lot. Please. You see your friend Ivan? Allow him. Allow him. He will come back to you for that 5 million naira. Definitely he will come. That is the truth, though. Definitely he will. From this Tinubu regime. You give somebody money, 5 million at that, and he will reject it. Don't worry. He'll come back.
If I ask you, have you seen devil before? If I ask you, have you seen devil before? What will be your answer? What will be your answer?
Which one is he wants to pay you in installments? When you were lending him the money, did you give it to him in installments?
I don't know. I don't know why Joe is doing this to me. I don't know. Huh?
Hold on. Is it that you didn't tell him that Chief Tom is coming back this month end to check his stocks?
What are you saying? The idiot was in my car when Chief Tom called me. And I told him everything.
Did you also tell Chief Tom that someone is owing you 30 million naira?
Hell no. No. What are you saying? How will I start telling Chief Tom that I lent his money to someone? Not even a little amount of money. Yeah? A huge 30 million naira. That I gave his 30 million naira out, and the person wants to pay 5 million naira out of 30 million naira. Is it possible?
Listen, you will not take that 5 million naira. It's not possible. What is that? Even if he gives you 10 million naira, you will not take it. Make sure he gives you the money in full. 30 million naira or nothing.
Why will I take it? Why will I? Joe has really dealt with me. I swear to God, Joe has really dealt with me. I don't think I will ever want to help anybody in this life.
But I warned you, but you paid deaf ears. You refused to leave me because I'm a woman. I warned you. See, you men and your ego now, see.
Look, honey, I understand.
How can you
All right?
lend somebody 30 million naira? How? Who does that? Who does that?
I thought he was my friend. We were friends.
There's no friendship in money. Listen. We are talking about 30 million, not 30,000, 30 million naira. Do not give him space. Follow him bomber to bomber. He will pay you that money in full. Yay. I hope you know the gravity of the danger you are in. You're there doing French.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How is your wife?
She's fine.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Is your husband in?
Oh, no. He left very early this morning.
Oh, he traveled?
No, I can't really tell. Because he left before I woke up from sleep.
Okay.
I called his line and his phone is switched off. Is everything okay?
Yes. I'm sure you're aware of the 30 million naira I gave your husband a few months ago.
Yes, I'm aware.
So my boss, Chief Tom, will be coming back to the country by the end of the month. Then I practically told your husband that I'll be needing the money before the month ends. I don't know what's keeping him from transferring the money into my account. I don't know.
Oh, that's... Why won't he pay now?
I don't know. That's why I'm here. I want to know the reason.
Okay, calm down, eh? When he returns, I will talk to him.
Please.
He will definitely pay you your money. Can he collect money from you without giving you the money?
Please, do everything. I mean, everything within your powers to make sure your husband transfer the money into my account.
He will transfer it. It's not his money. It's your money now.
Please.
Why will he keep it?
It's not even my money. It's company's money.
Yes, I understand.
Please.
I will talk to him.
Do it for me.
I will.
Please.
I will, sir. No problem.
Thank you very much.
He will see the money soon. Once he does that, we'll talk to him. He will turn the money to me.
Talk to him, please.
I will talk to him. My regards to your wife, eh? You have the effrontery to step into my house, warning me against my own husband. Eh? They gave you money and you rejected it. Hey, goodness. He didn't say he would pay. Let me pay instrumentally. Is it a problem? Eh? You will come back for that money. Nonsense.
Yes, I told your wife about the money I gave you.
Oh, why would you tell my wife about it now? Did you do any transaction with my wife? Why?
But I thought your wife was aware.
Aware of what? Aware of what? Don't you know that things are hard? Is it because of that you came to my house? Eh? Did I say I would not pay you?
I don't understand. Why are you shouting?
Why wouldn't I shout? Why wouldn't I shout? Don't you know that things are hard? Why would you do that? Yes, I'm going to pay you, but the only problem now is that I might not be paying you. I might not pay you the whole money once. I might be paying you instrumentally.
No, you cannot pay me instrumentally. The money is not mine. You know it. Alright? What are you even saying? I need this money.
It's okay. Then you have to wait till the money is complete. Okay? I don't have the complete money now. But please don't come to my house because of this matter again. Please, if you don't mind. Please. Huh? How would you do this thing now?
On HB
You wouldn't have told her. Give me any transaction.
Then give me the money.
Give my guy.
I'm not happy your guy out of this. Leave your guy out of this. Give me a guy. Give me a guy. Give me the money.
Thank goodness he saw you. When I was telling him you were not around, he thought I was lying.
This whole thing is eating up my peace. I think I should just pay him off and have my peace. I should just pay him once and for all and settle these things once and for all.
I can say there is poverty in your gene.
Come on, how can you say that to me?
What do you expect me to say? Just a little push, a little pressure. You're already panicking. What's wrong with you?
Come on, stop. Don't insult me. It's okay, I've heard. Don't just insult me.
It's better here. I'm allergic to poverty. I'm telling you this, I think I'm joking.
Have you seen devil before? What will be your answer?
Mr. Evans, 30 million naira is a very huge amount of money. But you have made the worst mistake by giving that money to my husband. I will make sure you don't get a dime out of it.
Babe, where are you? I'm off to work. Babe? Hey, young man, who are you? Who let you in? Stop pacing around. I'm asking you a question.
Baby, wake up! Somebody help me! Baby! Baby, please. Baby, wake up! Baby! Somebody help!
No.
Hey. Babe, wake up. Babe? What is it? Why are you crying in your sleep?
Was I?
Yes, of course you were. Are you okay?
I had a dream. In that dream, you were short.
Somebody shot you and I was crying and waking you. You refused to wake up.
You want dream? You want dream?
Babe, this is clearly the Holy Spirit telling us that danger looms ahead. This is God warning us about the danger ahead of time. Oh, we need to be careful.
Calm down. Look. We are not going to die. Alright? Nothing is going to happen to us. Look, I have not wronged anybody. I don't have enemies anywhere. So who will be looking for a way to kill me? You see? Nobody. I've always been a man of the people.
Babe, leave this thing you're saying. This thing you're saying, leave it. You don't need to do anything to have enemies. Let's just be careful.
Alright, honey. I will. I've heard you. Oh?
This was so real.
It's fine. Can we go back to sleep? Please.
Let's pray now. Let's pray at least.
You made me cry for you. You made me sad.
Very slow. The update. Sealed. Take a look. This young man. $1 million deal. 500,000 bucks. The rest will drop immediately after the deal.
So tell me, Green, do you have all the information we need for this operation?
Jasper, we need to leave here. Let's go somewhere we can sit and discuss about this.
Hilda, who is this friend that borrowed a huge amount of money from your husband and refused to pay back?
He's his friend, oh. They are very close. In fact, they are more like brothers.
A friend? A friend that wants to put his friend in trouble over a favor he rendered to him?
Honestly, I don't know. I don't just understand this. Very soon our chief will come back. What will my husband say? Oh, God.
Kanjukwa, what is stopping your husband for reporting this matter to the police? I think he should report to the police.
Mama, do you think the police will be of help? I don't want what we are scared of to happen. No. They will sack my husband and then he will still go to jail. I'm scared. I don't know if the police will help matters. To just escalate the whole thing now.
Well, I think you should take me to that man. Let me speak to him in the language he will understand.
Okay.
Maybe I want you to do something for me. Just for me.
Okay, what is it?
I want you to tell your friend that you have accepted to settle him.
Why? Are you the one saying this? Is there any time I said I will not settle him?
What I'm trying to say is,
Tell him you're ready to give him his money. Like, give him back the whole money.
No. I cannot do that. What is my business? If I do that, then my business is going to crumble.
Sweetheart, calm down. I know what I'm saying. Believe me. I know why I'm saying this.
I'm surprised. Are you the one saying this? Why the sudden turnaround?
Okay. See what I want you to do. Give him back the 30 million naira. Allow Shifton to go back to his base. Go back to your friend Evans. Request for another money. He will give it to you.
Babe, you're getting it all wrong. Evans can never take that risk with me again. The Evans that I know would not try that again. Yes.
What about if I tell you that I will make him do it?
Good evening. You're welcome to my house.
Thank you.
Good evening, Mom. Hilda, how is the family?
Fine.
My dear, we are not here for pleasantries. Where is your husband? He's the reason I am here.
My husband is not around.
Well, when he comes back, tell him that I, Norma, Evan's mother-in-law, said he has 2 days to pay every time he borrowed him. Else, regret will be his second.
Sorry, madam. Is that a threat?
Yes, it is. And I mean every word of it. Not of you.
Listen, Esther, you...
Just stop. So you brought your mother to my house to embarrass me in my own house. I don't get it. Because of ordinary 30 million naira that my husband is owing your husband. I mean, are you for real?
Esther, are you angry because of my husband's goodness to your husband?
No, my dear sister. I can't be angry. Why should I? Why should I be angry with you? No. Your husband is a good man. Yes, a very good man at that. That is why I try to convince my husband to make sure he pays the money that he collected from him. You get? Oh, come here. You're a good person also, alright?
And what are you still doing here?
Come and take me home.
If I ask you, have you seen devil before? If I ask you, have you seen devil before? What will be your answer? What will be your answer? Now I ask, money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one is enemy of man? 'Cause I'm confused, oh. Which one? I'm confused, is enemy of man?
Mother, she said she has convinced her husband to pay my husband in full.
Hilda, there is something I saw in that lady's eyes that I do not like. Tell your husband to be very careful.
Mother, are you saying she lied about convincing her husband?
My dear, it could be a trick. I do not know. But all I want you to understand is that you should not trust her. She's a dangerous type. I saw it in her eyes.
So it has gotten to an extent of sending your mother-in-law to my house to embarrass my wife.
Joe, I don't understand. What are you talking about?
You don't know what I'm talking about. Evans, you don't know what I'm talking about. Just because you lent me money, I will not have peace again. Because you borrowed me money.
Why are you sounding like this? What's the problem? Why would I even send anyone to your house? Huh?
Anyway, since you don't know what I'm talking about, I just want to say a big thank you. Thank you very much for the embarrassment. But please, ask your mother-in-law to stay away from my house. She shouldn't come to my house again because if she does, I'll get her arrested and you won't like what will happen. Just take it from me.
Hello? Hello? Joe? Joe? Hello? Can you imagine? He didn't even want to hear from me. Sort of nonsense. Baby, pick your call. Take your call. My wife is not even picking her calls. Well, I will find out when I get home. Come in.
So, what about the place you said I'll be going in the afternoon?
Just, Joel, make sure you don't move. No?
For hours we've been here waiting for this young man. And he's not even showing up, Jasper.
Green. Patience. Patience is all we need at this point. You see this job? We must deliver this job today.
Did I just hear you say patient? Did I just hear you say patient? Listen, Jasper. I don't have time. I don't have such patience. Don't you understand?
Your blood to the heart.
You go relax, oh. You dey hear me? You go relax.
We need to calm down. Just relax, calm down.
Jasper, watch out. Pass the car. That's the car.
I told you. Patience has me. Let's move.
If I ask you, have you seen devil before? If I ask you, have you seen devil before? What will be your answer? What will be your answer? Now I ask money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one is enemy of man? 'Cause I'm confused, oh. Which one? I'm confused, is enemy of man?
I missed my husband's call and I've been trying to call him back, but he's not picking up.
Hilda, tell him we're going to see his friend. And he should not give that man a breathing space.
Mother, I just wish that they will pay my husband the money like the wife said.
Do not forget what I told you about that woman. Do not forget.
Who's calling me? Hello? Yeah. Where? What? Hello?
Hello? Hello? Mama,
Who was that?
I don't know the person. No. I can't even hear him very well. But I know I heard something like him saying my husband's car was attacked, something.
Hilda, call that number back. Call that number back now. It must be network.
Jeremiah Dironya, one you be a boy. Udega de Roma, one you be kakraka. It's so bad. This is wickedness. Desperate woman. This is wickedness. And you're not forgotten to know.
Yes!
Pretend as well.
Okay.
You
oh my God.
Yes!
This is the kind of news I want to hear. Oh my God! This is radiating.
If I ask you,
80 million.
have you seen devil before? If
I am not rich woman. No,
devil before?
I cannot celebrate. Mary.
Now I ask, which one is enemy of
How are you?
My darling, you are welcome home. Welcome, my millionaire, my trillionaire, my Odogu in the building.
What's going on? You look so excited.
I am because we are now 30 million naira richer.
I don't understand. What happened?
Sweetheart,
Yes?
why don't you understand? I am here telling you that we are 30 million naira richer.
How?
Your friend Evans is dead.
What?
Yes.
I know you're joking, right?
I am not joking, sweetheart. I am not joking.
How? How did it happen?
He is gone and gone forever. As I'm talking to you right now, he is breathing in the land of the dead.
Excuse me. Baby, you don't joke with that kind of a thing. What are you saying?
I am not joking. The news came that he was shot today by some unknown gunman.
You can't be saying that because I spoke with him about an hour ago.
He spoke to you?
Yes.
So you don't believe me? You don't believe me that your friend is gone? Thank God he did not refund that 30 million.
No, this is not true.
Thank God the money is still breathing in our account. Let's celebrate again. Did he pick? Did he pick?
He's not picking.
He can't pick. He's gone and gone forever. He is in the land of the dead right now. My darling, let us marry. Let us celebrate. Let us enjoy ourselves. You can't enjoy with me. Come on, quiet.
I don't want this now.
Honey, stop doing this. Stop doing this. Stop doing it. He is not gonna pick, okay? He is gone. You know what? After calling a dead man, meet me in the room. Let us celebrate. I love it! Sweetheart, I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Have you seen devil before? Have you seen devil before? What will be your answer?
If truly
What will be your answer?
Daddy's Vance is dead,
Now I ask, money
then
and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one? Which
then I am rich.
enemy of man? Money and
Sweetheart!
which one?
Join me, let's celebrate. Come on, come here.
coming. But this is not good. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is not...
I have always dreamt of having a mighty boutique. Now is the opportunity. I will persuade my husband to share the 30 million naira into two. He takes one, I take one. That is 15 million naira each.
Babe. Okay, I want to ask you something. How did you get information about his death?
What kind of question are you asking me? And very soon you will ask me the name of the people that killed him. What's wrong with you? Instead of you to think of how we are going to make use of that cool money. Like, make use of it very good. You're asking me relevant questions.
Do you think his death will stop me from paying back the money I borrowed from him?
Who are you going to be giving the money to? The transaction was between you and him. Now he's gone. Who else? Oh, come on, sweetheart. Come off all this rubbish, please. Let's enjoy ourselves. Do you care for this? That's what you be doing right now.
Okay, have you thought about his wife?
He is right. Hilda knows everything about the transaction.
Have you? Why do you suddenly keep quiet?
About Hilda, right? Don't worry, sweetheart. I can handle her.
Advance is calling.
You can't be serious. Oh, yeah, but maybe someone is using his phone to make call. Maybe his wife, his sisters, his mother, somebody from, you know.
Hello? Hello? Yeah, Advance. How are you? Where are you? In the hospital.
If I were you, I will get your friend arrested immediately. He's a suspect.
You don't know Joe very well. Joe is my friend. Alright? Mama, Joe cannot even hurt a fly.
Not when he has a wife, evil wife that can lead him into temptation.
Mama, don't go there. Don't go. No, Joe is a good man. Joe will never think of harming me for any reason. Alright?
You know, this has always been your problem. You trust too much. I mean, it is the same trust that made you give out 30 million naira to Joe. What is wrong with you? Listen, my mother may be right. Okay? Who knows? Maybe he wanted to kill you so that he can have the whole money to himself. Not possible.
Sweetie, look, I know why you're sounding like this. But I'm assuring you that Joe is my friend. Joe cannot even hurt a fly.
No problem. So tell me, who sent those assassins?
How will I know? And you can actually say for sure that
David's killers were after me. Right? David is a young man. He might have been into some shades I don't know about.
My in-law, you may be right, but you need to think twice. In the world of today, nobody is to be trusted. Nobody.
I understand, but we can't start pointing accusing fingers of anybody. Alright? Let's take it slow and steady.
You don't know why you trust this your deal so much.
Right, let's go. Yeah, bye.
I ask you,
Baby?
have you seen devil?
Where are you?
If I ask you, have you seen devil?
Are you there?
What will be
Babe?
your answer? What will be your answer? Now I ask, money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one? Which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one? Which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one? Which one is enemy of man? 'Cause I'm confused, oh. Which one? I'm confused, is enemy of man. Jeremiah Ronya, one you be a boy. Udega de Roma, one you be kakraka. It's so bad. This is wickedness. Desperate woman. This is wickedness. And your mouth forgot to know. You cross boundaries. Pretend as well.
Omo. You won't give her attention. I want men to hang out this. I don't understand what this should be done. You're the kind of dog. But anyway, you're not even now.
Jasper! 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 Show yourself. Jasper! Jasper!
Who are you with?
I came alone. What do you call this? What do you call this? You killed the wrong person!
I traced his car. I followed him and I shot him by myself.
You shot his boy! You didn't shoot him! What is wrong with you?
What? That's impossible. I thought we shot him.
What is impossible? It's impossible that you shot the wrong person? Is that what you're saying?
It's not our fault. We followed his car. How do we know he's not the person in?
I thought you were a professional. You followed the car. Did you confirm who you killed? Did you confirm?
Do not shout here. They don't make noise in this place.
Okay, fine. I want that young man dead. No matter what it's gonna cost me, I want him dead!
If you want him dead, then he's a dead man. All you need to do is give us more funds.
More funds, bro. That's the way forward.
Money is the only language that I, Jasper, understand.
More money will you get? Kill him.
Jeremiah Ronya, one you be a boy. Udega de Roma, one you be.
How did this even happen? I thought we shot that young man. We shot him. You go there your head. As the guy they smoke now. You don't hide. What you want to say? You don't hear what she talk? She said we shot his boy. Damn. God damn it, baby.
Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
Sweetie, what is it? What's the problem?
Babe, I knew he was evil. I knew he was responsible for that predicament, for that incident. His hands are not clean.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about the 30 million naira you borrowed your friend Joe. In my dream, he shot us because of that money. His hands are not clean.
Hey, they're just talking about the dream you just heard. Alright? Joe is not actually a bad person. He's my friend.
Baby, people change. You have no idea what money can do. People change. People change. He shot us. He has a motive.
No, not Joe. What?
Babe, listen. Get him arrested. You have to get him arrested to provide that money. Else, I will call Chief myself.
You dare not try such. What you do what?
I will call Chief and I mean it. Get him arrested. His hands are not clean. You better get him arrested to provide that money.
Well, for your information, Joe called me before we went to bed that he will be sending the money back into my account by tomorrow morning. Alright? You don't need to call Chief or anybody. Please, go back to sleep. I need to rest. Please.
Baby.
Yeah?
I want us to talk about something.
What is it?
It's about that 30 million.
Babe, I am going to return that money first thing tomorrow morning.
So I want you to hold on. Hold on first, okay?
Why? Why saying this? You're the one who said I should just return the money. And you're saying I should hold on again.
Yes. Yeah, I've changed my mind, yeah. Just hold on first. That's what I said.
Why?
I changed my mind.
You changed your mind. You're the one who said I should return the whole money. So why changing your mind again?
No, I've changed my mind, so you need to just hold on. You will still give him the money, but for now, just hold on. Okay?
But I just have to return that money because I've already told him that I'm going to transfer the money to him.
Oh, you did?
Yes, I did.
It's not a problem. Nothing spoiled, yeah? You can just tell him that you wanted to send the money to him and the network is bad, then you will do it later, then he will hold on.
Esther, I am definitely going to return that money.
I said no, you cannot return the money right now.
Why?
Baby, you cannot do it. The truth is that if you return that money, I will pack my things and leave you for good. I am not ready to suffer with anybody. I am allergic to poverty.
always say it to you. So please, note that.
My dear, the days are evil.
I don't know what is wrong with my husband. He trusts people too much.
I believe that those assassins that came is one of your husband's friends. Yes.
You see, my husband is the problem here. I've been trying to talk to him, but he doesn't listen. He said his friend promised to pay the money today. So I'm just hopeful. If he pays the money, glory be to God. Tired.
I pray so. He pays the money. So all this will just end. Just like a nightmare.
Amen. That's so too.
I have to be on my way now, okay?
Alright, now see some other time.
Take care of yourself and stop thinking too much. My dear friend.
Alright,
I'll see you, okay? Bye. Nothing too much. Of course.
Hello, Joe.
Hello?
Yeah, I've not seen your message as promised, and it's almost 4 p.m. Joe, what's going on?
Yes, Evans, I know. You see, I've been in the bank since mornings for like 7 hours. Okay, but I believe that by tomorrow, we'll see what will happen, okay? Yes.
Joe, do I need to remind you that Chief is coming back tomorrow? And we need to sort out everything before Chief gets here. Yeah? What is going on, Joe?
It's okay. I've heard what you say, but tomorrow will be better. Please, understand me, please.
Joe, please do. I don't want to call you again. Do the needful. Please.
I will. Thank you for your understanding.
Is everything alright?
I was on call with Evans and he just wanted to know why I've not paid him the money.
And what did you answer him?
I want to know. Can you tell me why you asked me not to pay him the money again? Can I know why?
I didn't just want you to pay him the money.
Why?
Excuse me. Hello? Okay, no problem. Please let me call you.
Good evening, Esther.
Good evening.
I'm sure you'll be wondering what I came here to do again. I have come to plead with you to please talk to your husband. He promised to pay my husband today, and he failed. Tell him I'm aware of his delay tactics. I also know how he sent assassins to assassinate my husband. He has up until tomorrow to pay him, else I will arrest him myself. Thank you.
It's not your fault. I am a fool. Terminate tonight's plans. I am no longer interested. Behind me.
Babe?
I understand.
Who were you talking with?
Ah, the agent that wants to help me to get a place for my boutique business.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Sweetheart,
What?
I need you to pay that money. Send advance money to him. Send everything. So yeah, please. Do it today.
Cross boundaries, pretend as well. You went extra mile just to achieve your evil doom. You must pay.
What rubbish is that? Eh? Why would she call off a job that we've made all the necessary arrangements to strike tonight? Why?
Great. She called us for this job, right?
Uh-huh.
And she has decided that we quit and we don't proceed, right? That is not my problem. Neither is it your problem. My problem now is she needs to pay us off. She needs to pay us all the money that we need.
Good. Now you're talking. Eh? Just call her. She should pay us off immediately. Listen, I don't want to get mad. I don't want to get mad.
I'll call her. But I'm suggesting we give her time. Maybe she might change her mind.
What are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? She said she's no longer interested, right? Listen, Jasper, you and I know that we've invested so much already on this job. Call her to pay us off now. This is money matter. Call her to pay us off. Have your hand on the pen, you? Jasper, call her now. What is all this now? Eh?
Hello. I said I am no longer interested. Is that a crime? What did you just say? That I should pay you off. How? I don't get it. Did I not pay you the part payment? Did I not? I'm supposed to be the one asking you for refund. Do not call my line again.
If I ask you, have you seen devil before? If I ask you, have you seen devil before? What will be your answer? What will be your answer?
Why? Tommy boy! Tommy boy! Hey, man. How are you? You are still handsome. I love that. You're not bad either. You're looking more handsome. How's your family?
They are good. I left them.
Oh, they would still be good until they welcome you back.
He said,
Man, Tommy.
Very white.
It's been a very long time, guy. Hey.
So where are you heading to?
I'm going to Allison Street.
Allison?
Yes.
Join me.
Oh, come on. Take you the chief. He told me.
Very.
He told me.
Joe, what have I done to you to deserve this your ill treatment? What?
Calm down now. Calm down. Yeah? What is it? Yeah?
Where's the money you promised to pay into my account 2 days ago? Chief is back! And he's demanding I do account for him.
Where's the money?
Evans, I've been busy for 2 days now. Okay.
You've not been busy!
Don't worry. The first thing tomorrow morning, I'll go to the bank and
So, you can be this heartless. No wonder. My wife and mother-in-law warned me about you, but I never listened to them. One day I'm not leaving this place without the money. One day I'm not. I will hit you. Don't play with me. I will so hit you.
No, okay, Evans. Remove your hand. It's not a fighting matter. Keep your hand.
It's a fighting matter.
It's not.
So it's a fighting matter.
Evans doesn't know how important this account is. Anyway.
I am not joking. I will kill your husband. I will kill you if you fail to pay up this time around. Don't play with me.
Calm down. I'll pay you. First thing tomorrow morning, name in a bank. Straight. Eh?
This is you for real. This is you for real. Really? I went out of my way to help you. What I've never done that for anybody.
Not good for anger.
Out of my way to help you, and now you want to ruin my life. I won't watch you do that.
Let's calm down. I'll pay you.
You want to bring down everything I've worked for. I won't let you do it.
He's bringing it down.
I'm coming for you. You know me too well. I'm coming back for you.
Calm down.
You're so evil.
Evans, you know why you're the What does Salona happen?
You're okay.
Hey.
See, don't mind him. Go where you're going to. Yes. You see, I got your back. I am with you on this one. See this one, eh? I tell you, I get it back for you. Move! What you kill the boom?
Trying to scatter me.
Yes, now move. Gaga. Hey,
if I ask you, have you seen devil before? If I ask you, have you seen devil before? What will be your answer?
He looked me on the face and threatened to kill my husband.
Now I ask money and woman, which one's enemy of man?
Rubbish. Huh? I don't even know what to call this idiot. You begged me for this money and I gave it to you without complaint. Time to pay. You're talking nonsense. I rant nonsense. You think I don't need the money myself? Yeah? The money is not mine. I will so deal with you. I'm sorry. You see? Chief is calling me. Chief is calling me and I am very sure that Chief is in the office now. What do I tell him? What do I tell him?
Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
It's a lie! It's a lie! It's a $2.98 billion. $2.98. It's a lie! Lie! 385 billion naira.
What is wrong with him? He picked my call and refused to talk. Now he's not picking up anymore.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Do you know why Evans is not in office today?
Not at all, sir. I spoke with him a few minutes ago. He asked about you, but I told him you are not yet in the office.
Call him. Let me see if he'll pick your call.
Okay, sir. He's not picking up, sir.
You can go.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Let it not be what I'm thinking. I saw his reactions yesterday when I told him he will make up an abridged account for me today. And look at what is happening.
Yes, Mama. I have been calling my husband and he's not been taking his calls.
Did he tell you that he'll be going anywhere after work?
No, he didn't. He did not. Why is he not taking his calls now, Mother? Mother, I'm scared.
Please, Hilda, calm down. He'll be back. Calm yourself down.
Why is he not taking my calls now? He should pick.
Maybe he's busy. Or his phone is on silent. You go calm on yourself. Sweetheart.
What are we celebrating?
Life. Life is good, you know. Come on, cheers. Drink up.
Babe, the thing is that I don't just know what is wrong with me these days. I just know, I don't know what is going on with me.
Are you sure you're good?
Yes, okay? I'm okay, I'm fine. Just that if I go out now to do one thing, I find myself doing another thing. Like I went to transfer the money to Evans the other time, and I just realized that I didn't just go to the bank again. I went to the drinking bar and sat down there and started drinking. Before I knew it, It's 5 p.m. in the evening, and I started coming back.
Baby, I need you to give me 15 million naira from that money. I want to put it in my new business.
Babe, does it mean that you didn't just say what I said? Look at yourself. Can you hear yourself? I just told you something now and you did not even say anything. You didn't just say anything. And you're saying this.
I mean, what are you expecting me to say? Sweetheart, please. I need the 15 million naira first thing tomorrow morning. You know what? You can keep the 15 million naira, the remaining 15 million naira to yourself. Put it in your business, do with it whatever you wish, but please, tomorrow morning, first thing in the morning, please, transfer the 15 million naira into my account.
Sweetheart, okay? I will not do it. I'm not going to give you any dime from that money. Because I'll be going to the bank first tomorrow morning, straight to the bank to transfer the money into Immerse account. What's so funny? Why are you laughing?
Ma, his number is not going. His number is switched off. Why now? Hey, since I married him, he has never slept outside before.
Yoda, please, calm down. Oh, Putro, nothing will happen to your husband. Or maybe he went on a business meeting.
Business meeting, and he did not tell me. Come in. Mama. Mama. Hey, Aga. Hey, no. No. How is everything?
Thank God. Hilda, you look worried. Hope all is well.
Mama, I'm fine. Everything is fine. No, yes, ma.
Okay, if you say so. Why are you wasting time? You gotta get something for your mother-in-law.
Mama, do you want me to take your bag inside?
No.
Okay, let me.
Oh, slippers again. Papa is no pull up, Jay.
Should I carry your bag?
No, don't worry.
You made me cry for you. You made me sad. You made me cry for you. You made me sad.
Mama, she didn't even tell me she was coming. Eh? She just came and now she's asking after her son.
My dear, I know Odrugo very well. She must be here on a mission.
Mission? What kind of mission is that?
I don't know.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon.
Please, is this Evan's house?
Yeah, and who are you?
My name is Favor, Secretary of Tom to Tom Investment. Please, my Oga sent me here to come and check why your husband have not been in the office since yesterday.
You mean my husband wasn't at the office yesterday?
He did not, ma'am.
My dear, my husband left this house to the office and I haven't seen him till now. He hasn't come home.
Mama, if you go near now, sure you have seen it. He wasn't at the office yesterday.
Hilda, please calm down. Don't conclude yet.
Mama, what do you mean by I should not conclude? Okay, where is he? Where has he gone to?
I don't know, Hilda.
Hey! Mama, what have they done to my husband? You didn't see him at all yesterday?
No, ma, I've not seen him.
At all?
Not at all.
Did you hear it? She said she did not see him at all yesterday. He didn't go to the office.
Calm down. Mama is advanced.
Okay. Oh, it's okay. Okay. Alright. Come in. Excuse me, look.
Sir, he's not in the house.
Go back to your duty.
Okay, sir.
You made me cry for you. You made me sad.
$30.86 billion.
You made me cry for you. You made me sad.
$258 billion.
Is this not Hilda's husband? Look, my dear. Okay, Vance. Okay, Vance.
$358 billion. $38 billion.
Okay, Vance, what happened to you? What is the matter? What is the matter? Okay, guys, talk to me now. It's me.
Whatever I did to you, please forgive me. Return the favor back, cause I'm in trouble. Return my favor back, I am in trouble right now.
No, he has not behaved like this before.
Have you called him on phone?
Yes, I did call over and over, yet he did not pick my calls. I will have to send my secretary to his house, and his wife said he left home since yesterday and has not returned. I wonder why he should disappear now that I want to take stock.
Chief, take it easy. I'm of the belief that he'll call back. Definitely he'll call back.
Okay, I have tight schedule for the day. His disappearance is unacceptable, I must tell you. But anyway, let's go for lunch.
It's okay, take it easy.
Hello. You're welcome.
Yes, Mama. Good afternoon.
You're welcome.
Mama, it seems like Hilda is not around.
Oh, she stepped out, but she will soon be back. Hope all is well.
Yes, Mama. I'll be on my way now.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye. Hilda has not told me where my son is. And her number is not even going. What is happening? From the way she and her mother behaved in the morning, showed that something is wrong somewhere. I'll wait. I'll wait, oh.
Mother, hold on, wait. Mother, I think I can go my phone at home. Do you need it for anything? Yes, no. Let's get to the police station first. It's very important to make a report. Very important. Because they go. Don't worry, they go. Mother, I think Ivan's mother has started suspecting something. Yes, I mean, the way she spoke to me this morning, it kind of threw me off balance. Well, you tell her everything. Yeah? Yes, tell her everything. But first, let's get to the police station. Biko.
You made me cry for you. You made me sad. You made me cry for you. You made me sad. You caused me pain, you broke my heart. Why all this wickedness on me? I'm beginning to melody as you are. Whatever I did to you, please forgive me. Return the favor back, cause I'm in trouble. Return my favor back, I am in trouble right now. You made me cry for you. You made me sad. You made me cry for you. You made me sad.
Boss has not called me again. I hope all is well. I know he will be very angry with me. My wife has succeeded in persuading me to share the money into two. The 30 million naira. I didn't want to do it, but I find myself doing it. What's wrong with me? What is wrong with me?
What are we celebrating?
Finally. The Lord has done it finally. Finally. The Lord has done it.
Wait, what are we
celebrating? Hold this drink. Hold it. Can't you see?
See what?
Are you blind? Can you see my new car?
Your new car?
My new car!
Babe, how? No, wait, babe, wait. Don't tell me you used the money I gave you to buy a car.
What is wrong with you? You gave me the money, it's my money. I have every right to use it for whatever I want to use it for. For your information, sweetheart, tomorrow your woman will be traveling to Dubai. to get goods for my new boutique. This call for celebration. Let me get a glass cup. We got to celebrate. Celebrate. Oh my goodness. Glass cup.
If I ask
Let's
you,
celebrate.
have you seen
Tell me you use the money to buy.
If I ask you, have you seen
A bunny
devil
kono
before?
mayambulu.
What will be your answer?
on?
What will be your answer? Now I ask, money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one? Which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one? Which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one? Which one is enemy of man? 'Cause I'm confused, oh, which one?
What? How could such a huge amount of money be missing from his account? I am sure that is why he's running away. But anyway, I will get him before he runs far. Hello? Come to my office right now, yes. Yes, come in.
Yes, sir.
I want you to take me to Evan's house.
Okay, sir.
So go and tidy the work on your desk. We are leaving now.
All right, sir.
Hilda, where is my son? What have you done to my son, Hilda? Where is he? Eh?
Mama.
Don't mama me, oh. What have you done to my son? I told him not to marry you because you're going to ruin his life. Where is he?
Mama, your son is missing. I haven't seen him for the past 3 days since he left home. I haven't heard from him nor even seen him.
Is he? Well, let me assume I did not hear what you said.
There is nothing to assume. You heard what she said. She said your son is missing. Eh? We are just coming back from police station when we went to make an official report. Yes. It's simple as that.
Now my son is missing.
He's missing.
How could my son be missing? How? You never provide my son for me, oh. In Anya Hilda, provide my son for me, oh. So I'll descend on you.
Hilda. She will not do anything. She will not do anything. I don't want to see you cry.
That I will not do anything. That I'm not going to do anything.
Yes.
I feel
that
I'm not going to do anything. My son is missing. So I just said that I'm not going to do anything.
It's her fault that your son is missing. Is it her fault?
That I'm not going to do anything.
You are not going to do anything.
Oh, yes.
Where exactly?
Let's be going straight.
After that point?
Yes.
Right this way or this way?
I think it's by the left.
By the left?
Yes.
Okay.
Slowly. Watch. Yeah, we are almost there.
Okay.
Almost there.
Okay, by that flower there?
Yes. Okay. Yes, so we are here. Yes, this is the building. Yes.
Okay. Let's just.
Okay.
Hey! That my son is missing. That my son is missing. How? Hey! Oh God. How is my son missing now? How? If they don't provide my son for me, thunder will fire 2 of them. Thunder will fire them!
Look at Hilda. For good 5 years, Hilda has not even considered. They are for Zana. No pull up. October that to pull up. Hey! If they don't provide my soul, let me turn down fire them.
Well done.
You're welcome, sir.
Where is Mrs. Evans?
Najum Kanjuonya. Don't know.
Good day, sir.
Are you Mrs. Evans?
Yes, I am.
Officers, arrest this woman.
For what? For what? Why? What did I do?
Miss Evans, you're needed at the station for questioning over your husband's sudden disappearance after stealing a huge amount of money from Chief Tom's here. So I advise you to remain silent because whatever he say or do may be used against you in the court of law.
Believe me when I tell you that he didn't steal any money. Chief, my husband did not steal your money.
Listen to my
Listen, officer.
She has something to
My
tell.
husband is not a thief. He's not a thief. Chief, I beg. Officer, she did not steal any money. Now why are you arresting her? She did not steal any money. You say you needed her for questioning and you are handcuffing her now. It's not fair now. Officer, this is wrong. This is wrong. Officer, Chief, my husband is not a thief. He is not a thief. I can assure you that he is not a thief. Officer, you said she needed her at the station.
Madam,
You needed
I
her
just
husband. I know my right.
Let me do my job.
Why do I have my right?
Madam.
Why do I have my right? I know my right.
Go in.
Officer, why the handcuff? You see the... Chief, why the handcuff? Yes, sir. Fire them. Unfair now. This is unfair. This is unfair, Chief. This is unfair. She did not do anything, no. She did not do anything, Chief. This is unfair. Hey. Olale, Kaka. You've not seen anything, no. You've not seen anything. No, ma. We need to leave immediately. Like, we need to pack our things and leave this city right now.
I've just got a call that Evans is running mad on the streets.
Yes, it's true. I saw him. As I'm talking to you, Chief, I've arrested Hilda. Definitely, she will tell him everything about the 30 million. You and me. So we need to leave this city immediately.
Baby,
they will come for us.
You caused all this. You used someone's money. Because of this money now, this guy is running mad on the streets.
Are you for real?
You used the money to buy a car. You bought a car with someone's money.
Are you being serious right now?
God.
Like, are you going to stand here and blame me for everything? So that this is not the right time for blames. Let us go in there, pack our things and leave this city. They're coming for us. Come, let's go.
Definitely Chief will come for me. Chief will come for me because this guy is running mad on the street because of that money. Definitely he will come for me.
You cross boundaries, pretend as well. You went extra mile just to achieve your evil doom. You must pay for all this evil. No hiding place for you. You must pay. If I ask you, have you seen devil before? If I ask you, have you seen devil before? What will
Green.
be your answer?
This is where she lives.
What will be your answer? Now I ask money and woman, which one is enemy?
So what do we do next?
We need to find our way inside. That woman must give us our money. She must.
Come on, Jasper. Listen, let me ask you. Do you think this woman is going to let us in through this gate? You know that's not possible. Anyways, I suggest we pass through the backside. What do you think?
Green, ever since I've known you, this is the first time you're giving a brilliant suggestion. Kudos on that. You know what will happen now? I will repark my car to avoid any unnecessary trace. Then I'm here from here.
In that case, you have to be fast, okay? We have to be fast with whatever we are doing here right now, okay? Come on.
All right,
let's get going.
You make me cry for you. You make me sad. You make me cry for you.
Great. Go in and check.
Jasper! The door is locked. I guess she's out already. Tell me, do you want me to break the door?
No. Wait behind. Right?
How come she's nowhere to be found? Huh? I thought you said she lives here. Listen, man, my money is important. Huh?
Green.
I don't want to lose my money.
Green. You need to relax. Remember the last time I followed her, I traced her down here, and she came into this place. I'm sure this is her place.
So what's going on? Where is she? Huh?
Let's wait behind. Come.
By the way, my friend, she will remain in the police custody until her husband comes out from his hiding.
What if he decides not to come out?
She will remain there. Look, what we're talking about here is 30 million naira, not 30,000.
Well, you're right. But the woman said something about her husband lending this money to a friend. I don't think you should investigate this matter before it is too late.
I don't have business with anyone. Except Evans. All I need is my money.
No, you are right anyway. But let's wait for Evans to come out and freeze his wife and provide the money either.
He must come out.
He will come out. It won't take time, he'll come out. He will. But the man is much.
You make me cry for you. You make me sad.
Yeah.
You make me cry for you.
Yes! This is my I will buy this thing for $1 million. Wait to that. Give me the whole world.
You caused me pain. You broke my heart. Why all this wickedness on me?
I want to carry the word on my head. Give me the I am the owner of this word. Give me the word. I want to carry this word on my head.
Forgive me. Return the favor back, because I'm in trouble. Return my favor back. I am in trouble right now.
me 38.17 billion Kuwait dinar.
Evans! This is unbelievable.
Chimpanzee, the scrotum. Right! Your scrotum. $58.92 billion.
What happened to him? I've been looking for this young man for days now, only to find him in this condition.
Evans! I've been trying to reach him for days too. His contacts were all up. He's my friend. Evans!
Yes.
Evans!
Yes.
Can we possibly take him home with your car, please? Please.
82 battalion.
Evans, please.
82 battalion.
Oh.
Tua! 28.30 billion dollars. 58.30 billion dollars. From 88 battalion. Tua! 50 billion dollars. 19.6 $50 billion. Kuwait currency.
Can we take him to the house? Evans! Sir, please, can we take him to his house? Is it possible, please? Let's use your car to take him to his house, please. Please, I've been looking for him too.
I want to run from here to Equatorial Guinea. From here to Ghana. Ghana to Cambodia. Cambodia to South Africa. South Africa to Poland.
Hey!
Poland to Senegal. I want to run. I will not allow anybody to carry this war. The world is my own.
Look at what they have done to my son. Just look at what they have reduced my son to. Hi, don't worry. I'll be going. I'll let them know what I saw when I came. I told you not to marry this woman, but you refused. You barren woman.
The point of correction. My daughter is not barren. My daughter is not barren.
So why has she not given my son children? You still have more to talk.
Wait. When your son gets better, you ask him that question.
And you just think that my son taught me everything. Yes, he taught me everything. In fact, that is why I am here. I came to tell my son to marry another woman. But look at what I'm seeing. Look at what I'm seeing. Nadeba. So what?
Don't worry, Ojugo. I am waiting for you and your people. I'm not afraid of anybody.
You're waiting for us.
I demand afford me.
Nama, you're waiting for us. I will tell you that I'm Ojugo. Nama, I will deal with you.
You deal with me.
I will deal with you, Nama. I will deal with you and your daughter. You will see.
Yes.
Okay, go there. Okay, so wait. I will see you.
Get out.
Down.
I will deal with you. From Ghana to Poland.
Mama, it's okay, Biko. No, Hilda, please. The most important thing that we found him alive. Nothing happened to him. Please, it's okay.
Amaka, his mother just called me a barren woman. I am not barren.
A barren, baramba.
I know. It's okay, my dear. Everything will be fine, okay? You are not. Let them say whatever they want to say.
God, why me?
888 zillion Kuwait.
Why me? Why me? I just want to take my own life. I am tired.
You can't do this. What did I hear you say? Take your own life for what? Take your own life for what? Listen, Hilda. You see this? It will pass. No condition is permanent. My friend, wipe your tears. Wipe your tears also.
39 million billion.
As Mama said, it will pass. Okay, this phrase must pass.
What proof do you have that Joe is responsible for your husband's predicament?
I am very sure, Mr. Elvis. I am very sure that Joe and his wife, they are both responsible for my husband's predicament.
Can you prove that?
Yes. Yes. Listen, few months ago, when Joe's shop got burnt, he came to my husband and my husband borrowed him 30 million naira to assist him. And then, when my husband decided to ask for his money back, he started giving him excuses. He was no longer straightforward, lies upon lies. How else do you explain that? Okay, tell me. If they were innocent, why did they relocate?
Oh, wait a minute. Did you just say that Elvis gave a whopping sum of 30 million naira that does not even belong to him to a total stranger?
Yes.
How?
I don't know. I mean, I warned him, but he paid deaf ears. Probably because it's a woman talking.
This is absurd.
If they were so innocent, why did they run away? Why did they have to relocate from their previous house? Why?
Well, as it stands now, our priority should be to focus on how to solve this issue. To seek for solution to your husband's condition. That is what I see facing us now. Let's forget whatever happened before. For now, please.
Joseph Ndoka. God will punish you. God will punish you. You and your wife Esther, God will punish you. I will make sure you pay every penny that you've eaten.
That's
God.
That's enough. That's enough. Like I said.
No, look at my husband's condition.
It's okay. Like I said, our priority is his present condition. Let us seek for solutions to that for now. Let every other thing be.
Okay.
I want to eat hippopotamus. Give me anaconda scrotum. That's what I want to eat. Anaconda scrotum. Scrotum. 520 billion quid. 358 million euros. Give me the whole world. I want to carry the whole world on my head. I want to carry this world on my head. The world is my own. Hippopotamus scrotum. That's what I want to eat. Water. Yes, it isn't easy. Give me the whole world. I want to carry the whole world on my head.
If I ask you, have you seen devil before? If I ask you, have you seen devil before? What will be your answer? What will be your answer? Now I ask, money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one? Which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one? Which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one? Which one is enemy of man? 'Cause I'm confused, oh. Which one? I'm confused, is enemy of man?
Man,
Your husband does not have any right to take back my money.
Yes, sir.
Without my consent. I need my money immediately.
Oh, sir, please. Please, sir. Forgive us, please. We are sorry. Eh? We are sorry, please. My husband is not fine. Biko.
I don't need your sorry. All I need is my money.
Chief, I perfectly understand where you're coming from. But you see, every present condition is not really making things easy for us. Right now, I know that the money is that huge. 30 million naira is not 30,000. But we're presently making an arrangement to take him to psychiatric hospital for proper treatment. That is the big game that is facing us now. Please.
Listen, I need my 30 million naira. I don't care how you get it.
Like I said earlier, Chief, I heard what you said. We understand. But I promise you, we will get back to you soon. We are definitely going to work on that. Please. Please.
Like I said, my money or nothing. I don't care how you get it. You can go. It's alright, Chief.
Where do I get 30 million naira from in this condition? Where?
Forget whatever that man said in there. Look, our major concern now should be to take your husband to where he will receive a proper treatment. That's all.
Do you think that man was bluffing?
I don't care if he was bluffing or not. Look, my friend's condition is what matters most now as we stand. Just forget about whatever he said. Let's go.
I'm tired.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired.
Wait, you mean all that man is interested in is his money?
Yeah. He doesn't care about my husband. He's just asking after his money. He keeps asking for his money as if my husband's life doesn't matter.
So what are you going to do about it now?
I don't know. I mean, what do you want me to do? Where can I possibly get 30 million naira from? Where? Listen, my only concern right now is figure out how to take my husband to the best hospital for him to have good treatment. Honestly.
Wow, this is unbelievable. Chiroma.
Oh, my dear, when did you return?
I returned yesterday. Guess who I saw?
Who?
Joe's wife.
Esther?
I saw her in the city which I traveled to. She now owns a big boutique. And she's now driving a flashy car, very big at that.
What?
Yes, sir.
Esther now drives? I see. I see that they've started enjoying the 30 million naira. No wonder they projected madness to my husband. And I God will punish them.
Punish them?
But why didn't you follow them now? Why didn't you follow her? At least get address or something. Why didn't you follow her? I need to set my eyes on those people.
Forgive me, oh. It occurred to me lately when I must have left. Paro, don't worry. We will still get them.
My God will punish them. Honestly. God will punish them. They will never go scot-free.
They will never go.
So no wonder they projected madness into my husband.
God will punish them.
Don't be your jaw. If you see her car, Okwoto. Notice me. If she's coming out, you will know that Esther is driving out.
Are you serious?
Honestly.
Who is this? Who is this?
Who?
Huh? I don't know. Hello?
Good evening, Mr. Joe.
Yes, good evening. Who is this?
This is Hilda, Evans's wife.
Hilda.
Who?
Evan's wife.
Hilda? Let me have the phone. Hello, Hilda.
Esther, give your husband the phone. I want to talk to him.
You called my husband by this time of the night and you're asking me, ordering me to give him back the phone. Is something wrong with you?
Esther, you think you have succeeded, huh? You think you have succeeded?
Succeeded on what?
Listen, tell your husband to pay the money he borrowed from my husband, Esther. Tell him. Else.
What money are you talking about? Now listen very good. Let this be the last time that you ever pick up that your miserable phone to call my husband. Don't ever try it next time. Last warning. Fool.
Esther, you are playing with fire. You are playing... Hello? 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 What the hell? She ended the call on me.
Idiot. How did she even get your number?
I don't know. Maybe from her husband's phone. I don't know.
Nonsense. Hilda.
Mother.
It's time for you to put yourself together so that you can face the challenges before you.
Mother, can you imagine? Do you know that I just finished speaking with Joe and his wife Esther? Guess what? They weren't even remorseful about their actions.
But I told you not to call them. I told you. Let them be for now. Let them be.
Oh, God. I just wish I know where they are. I wish I know where they are now. I would have just gone there and tear them into shreds. Those people are wicked. They are evil.
Calm your mind. Calm your mind. God no go shame us. At all. And remember, what God cannot do does not exist. Calm your mind. Oh, everything will be alright. Okay? Calm your mind.
If I ask you, have you seen devil before? If I ask you, have you seen devil before? What will be your answer? What will be your answer? Now I ask, money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one? Which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one? Which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one? Which one is enemy of man? 'Cause I'm confused, oh. Which one? I'm confused, is enemy of man? Cherema de Ronya, one you be a boy. Utega de Roma, one you be Kakraka. It's so bad.
Yeah, hold on.
This is wickedness. Desperate
I'm coming. Oh.
This is wickedness. And you're my you cross boundaries. Pretend as well. You went extra mile just to achieve your evil doom. You must pay for all this evil. No hiding place for you.
Say hi.
Oh, good.
Baby. Sorry I came back late. I went to do a supply, but was head up on traffic.
You're welcome.
Okay. I need to go freshen up a little bit. Same.
I can perceive some stench of alcohol. Let it not be that she's lying to me.
I simply told his wife to go and get me my money. What we're talking about here is a huge amount of money.
Chief, you think this woman can give you this kind of money under her husband's condition?
Do I care?
Yes, you should care. If you need your money, you should care.
How do you mean?
Chief, do you need to not tell anybody? All you need to do is get Evan's wife. Let her testify that her husband lent this money to the young man and you'll get your money. What else?
I don't have business with the young man, so I cannot nail him.
All you need to do is get this man arrested. Get him arrested and your money will come out.
Do you think that will work?
Definitely, give it a trial and it will work. I promise you.
By the way, there is no point giving that a trial. I have no business with this young man. So all I can do is to wait for Evans to get well. And there's no point giving the trial.
Chief, the ball is in your court. The choice is yours.
boy. See money. I told her bill be this so. Hey. Baba, this one na less na. You don't know. See, if you say we catch that man, now blocks if we pay for this USD. You don't understand. But you know now, I told her which now. See dollar now, dollar bill like this. See naira, see money. Hey, we go see money. Don't be like shy guy. Money na money. Anyhow when it be. Oh man, I think we need to leave here right now. Here is not safe anymore.
Oh, Barry. Oh. It was the grace of God that saved me. Those boys nearly caught me.
This happened this afternoon.
About 30 minutes ago, I left my car there and ran for my dear life. They came after me. They were shooting carelessly in the bush.
This is serious.
Barry, I've never seen such in my life. Who could have sent them after my life?
Who else, if not your debtor?
My debtor?
Oh yes, the young man that has the 30 million naira. He could have sent some men to humiliate you.
Could this be true?
This is the reason why you must look for that young man and get him arrested immediately.
Okay. I will definitely get him and teach him the lesson of his life. Honestly. Barry.
Shut on. Anaconda, chimpanzee. 350 billion Kuwait dinar. 88.90 zillion.
You make me cry for you.
Chimpanzee. I need your scrotum.
Chief, I'm sorry, I haven't been able to.
That is not why I'm here. Okay? Can we talk inside?
All this wickedness on me.
Your scrotum. Give me your scrotum. I want to eat it. Your scrotum.
Whatsoever I did to you, please
Shut up.
Because I'm
389 billion this year.
return my favor back.
38.9 billion Kuwait dinar. Money. Shut up. Your scrotum.
Ojuko, when last did you see Evan?
I was at the city 2 days ago. His wife has taken him to a psychiatric hospital.
Oh, that is good. I met with elders of our family and they said that I should endeavor to attend the next meeting.
Okay.
And they have solution to Evan's problem.
Oh, that's good. Thank you so much.
And they also said that they will do something about that young man that put you into that trouble.
Hey, I'll be glad for that. Evans is my only son.
Alright, I promise you, everything is going to be alright. Eh? Do not bother yourself.
Thank you so much once again, Nai.
Alright. It's alright.
So, you are about going?
Yes, let me go.
But wait, I cooked food. Let me get food for you. I cooked for her.
Oh, you don't worry.
Very delicious.
I know you cook delicious dish, but I'm on my way to somewhere. Next time I will come, I promised you that I will sit down. Request you for her. Request you for Hibute. Request you for Hibute. Dear father.
So don't worry. Next time, as you say.
Alright.
Oh yeah, bye.
It's alright. Thank you.
Bye.
Just look at it. And my wife is not yet back. This is the second time she's doing this. Coming back to this house late. But this time around, it's not going to be easy. At all. This just has to stop. This has to stop. Who is that? The door is open. Don't bathe me. Where are you coming from?
I don't get it. Where
are you coming from by this time of the night?
What kind of question is that? From my boutique, of course.
From your boutique? And you're smelling of alcohol.
I don't just get it. What is this? What is this? What are you insinuating? That I've been drinking all day in my boutique? What are you insinuating? What is this?
Esther, listen. Listen. This should be the first and the last time you will come back to this house by this time of the night. Do you understand?
Joseph, do not provoke me this night. Do not provoke my anger. Can't I do my business again in peace?
And what kind of business are you doing till 12 midnight? What kind of stupid business is that? Let this stop. Do you understand? I don't want to repeat myself again.
I know your problems. You are just a frustrated man. But let me advise you. Take your frustration elsewhere.
Have you seen devil before? If I ask you,
Did she just call me a frustrated man?
what will be your
Did she just call me a frustrated man?
What will be your answer? Now I ask money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one?
What do you call this night? What is this?
Calm down now. Am I not your husband? Why are you pushing me away?
Don't try it again, please. I'm tired. I want to sleep. Don't do it again.
Baby, you're warning. Are you warning me? Babe, you know it's been long. It's been long we did it. I'm feeling you.
Feeling who?
You.
I don't understand. Starting when? No, starting when? You're feeling me.
Baby, you can't keep.
Stop me again. I want to sleep. I want to sleep. Don't do it again.
You can't keep denying me of my conjugal rights now. I married you. What? Baby, stop this now. Follow me. It's me. You're my wife.
Don't do it again.
Please, I'll make this thing.
I'm tired. And if you continue with this, I will leave this room for you.
You can't be tired for
I
your
will
husband
leave this room for you. What nonsense. Listen, Bobby. Come on, cake. Do my cake. Prepare me again. I will leave. Just take it. Prepare. Go to this room. Don't try it again. I like it. Don't disturb me.
How can I help you?
I'm here because of my husband. I want you to take his eyes off me so that I can live any kind of life I want to live.
Is that all?
Yes, Baba, for now.
You have to go and come back tomorrow for a charm. It will cost you 200,000 naira.
Okay, Baba. The money, should I pay now or I pay later?
You can pay now if you have the money with you. You can go now. Come back tomorrow for the charm.
Thank you so much, Papa.
Wait. I see a man standing on your way. He's a chief. And he is after your husband and you. You have to do something very fast to get him out of your way.
But what would that one cost me?
That will cost you more 150,000 naira.
Please, start the work. I will pay tomorrow when I come.
But you have to drop something for the deity. Good. You are now covered. Go and come back tomorrow for the charm.
I shall be back.
The mistake I made that day was not following her. At least to know where she is.
Honestly, Amaka, you should have followed her. You could have just followed her.
There is still hope. I believe the supermarket can still give us a lead.
How do you mean?
I suggest Amaka should take me to the supermarket. I believe I can track her from there.
But, I mean, you don't even know where she stays. So how do you do that?
You see, I know it's going to cost me a lot. But I don't mind doing that for the sake of my friends.
Amaka, you've heard what he said.
Yes, I will take him there. But there's every possibility that he might not meet her there. Because she doesn't stay there. And she doesn't come there often.
Don't worry, Amaka. You just take me there and leave the rest to me.
It's okay. So when are we going?
Is tomorrow okay by you?
Sure. By what time?
Let's say we'll leave by 8 a.m.
It's fine.
Oh,
okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this, for your concern towards my husband.
You see, Hilda, your husband is not just a friend to me, but like a brother. Whatever you see me doing now is precisely what he would have done for me. So don't worry, it's okay.
It's okay, Hida. I have to be on my way now.
Take this. Take it home. When you get home, you put it on and use the hand to touch him. And he will become totally submissive to you. But let me warn you, you have to be very careful that nobody else touches the charm. As for the chief, I will take care of him. I will send a snake to bite him and he will die instantly.
Wise one. Thank you so much. May the gods bless you.
Thank you. So you go now and enjoy your peace.
Thank you so much.
If I ask you, have you seen devil before? If I ask you, have you seen devil before? What will be your answer? What will be your answer? Now I ask, money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one? Which one is enemy?
What did they do here? Since yesterday, don't show face for here. Today, I guess you show your face again. Who you be?
Am I sitting on your seat? Eh? What is your problem? Why are you embarrassing me?
This thing where they talk, I won't say no be your lopa. Before I go change that for you, be as they see me, I be Lagos boy. I dey worry you, I be Wele boy. They hear me so?
My friend, will you get out of this place?
I don't tell you my own finish. They hear me? If you get here, make you hear and well.
I'm beginning to ready. As you are. Whatever I did to you, please forgive me. Return the favor back, because I'm in trouble. Return my favor.
Yes, baby. You know, like I told you, baby, I have connection in other part of the world. You know, I can connect you to any country of your choice.
Oh, that would be so nice.
Yes.
It's so interesting. Okay,
babe, that's a very simple task. You know, I have this agent friend that resides in Turkey. You know, I can just call him so you can speak to him yourself.
Oh my God, this is very interesting. Thank you so much. I would truly appreciate that.
You're welcome. It's just one call away, like I told you.
Thank you.
And also, babe, how about we go on a 1 month trip to California?
California?
Yes, of course.
That will also be very interesting.
I told you, baby, and then I can spoil you silly, take you to places you've never been to. You can forget about that your crazy husband.
No. One more word about him, I'll leave. He's still my husband.
I know. You should calm down. I'm just pulling your leg. You take things too serious.
Let it get you're pulling my leg.
Yes. Just baby.
The second time.
You know, I can't wait to travel around the world with you. You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
She has not been picking her calls. I've been calling her over for hours now. What is wrong with her? What is going on? I will so deal with her if she comes back. I will so deal with her. No, I can't take this. I can't take this anymore. I cannot.
And where are you coming from? Now start talking. Where are you coming from?
Darling.
Don't darling me. Darling, kill you there. I said, where are you coming from? Start talking.
Sweetheart.
Oh.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. You're back.
Yes, I'm back.
Oh my God. I've been waiting for you. I've been missing you.
You missed me.
Babe. Oh. Oh, damn. Babe, you look gorgeous.
Thank you. Okay, I just have to freshen up. Okay?
I'm waiting. I've been missing you. Damn.
As soon as the contract entered the country, he thought it was going to be business as usual. He never knew that every eyes were on him. The moment he stepped into that place, he was gathered and beaten up. And since that day, he has never stepped his leg. He has never stepped his leg again.
How will he get to that place? He will never in his life go to that place again.
I said he has never stepped his leg there again.
My leg! My leg! Oh, my leg! My leg! My leg! My leg! My leg! My leg! Snake! My leg! Wait, please help me! 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 I don't want to die! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help my leg! My leg!
Has Evis called you today?
Yeah.
So, what about your husband? Have you gone to see him?
He's responding to treatment. I mean, they're really doing their best. I'm glad.
Good. But are you sure this is going to work? Because it's been a week now he's been there.
I'm hopeful. Hold on, Elvis is calling me.
Okay, pick.
Okay. Hello?
I think I should start coming back now. I had an emergency call.
Oh, please come back. You've really tried. Okay?
Yes, but I am not giving up. Once I'm done with the call, I will come back here.
Alright.
Hold on, please. I'll call you back. I'll call you back.
What happened?
Just hold on a minute. I'll call you back.
Oh, okay.
If I ask you, have you seen devil before? If I ask you, have you seen devil before? What will be your answer? What will be your answer? Now I ask money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one is enemy of man?
He said he will call me back.
Then let's wait for his call. Let's be certain about it. As for Mama has really tried.
She has. My dear, thank God for giving us relief at a time we almost lost hope.
Thank God, because Elvis is a positive man. He told me that he will come out with a positive result.
Yeah, he had faith.
Yes, I love that.
I love that too. So I'll let Chief know. Yes, I'll let Chief know when we were able to, apprehend her. When we're able to get useful information about her, I'll let him know.
I think we should just wait till he calls back.
Very well then, let's wait.
Yes, because I'm very sure and I'm certain about his call. He's going to call back.
Let's wait then.
Yes.
Which one is enemy of man? Money and woman. Which one is enemy of man? Cause I'm confused. Which one? I'm confused. Is enemy of man? Jeremiah Ronya, one you'll be a boy. Udega de Roma, one you'll be Kakraka. It's so bad. This is wickedness. desperate woman. This is wickedness, and I'm not forgotten to know. You cross boundaries, pretend as well. You went extra mile just to achieve your evil doom. You must pay for all this evil. No hiding place. You must pay. If I ask you, have you seen devil before?
You see, Grandma? Sorry. Okay, sorry. Please now. Let's see my face before. No.
Calm. If you don't take time, I will buy you for this place and nothing will happen. Nobody will spare your dead body. You hear me? The grace when they form SS3 boys, you know what they mean SS3 boys? Olopa. I mean Olopa.
No, I'm not.
If you talk anyhow, I will blow your skull. I go tell you say I'm a dead man, don't die before. Go see devil yourself. I'm the second devil. For this earth where they live. And I get over this. Yes.
The American citizen. No, I'm not. You look me. No. Sorry. No, I'm look you.
I don't achieve this one. Let's say we use this place like that. Let's say big man.
Has he picked?
No. As a matter of fact, his line is switched off.
Switched off?
Yes.
But why?
I don't know. You know, this is exactly the same feeling I had in the case of my husband. I'm just scared. I'm scared.
God, please, let nothing happen to him.
I pray so. I just hope someone hasn't suspected him and then decided to follow him up.
I just pray nothing happens to him. This is the reason why I said we should not call Chief yet.
Thank God I didn't tell Chief. I did not tell him. But don't you think it's better we let Chief know about Elvis' movement? Just in case he has gotten himself into trouble or something.
I think we should wait for his call first.
You think so?
Yes.
Oh God, please. Elvis should not get into trouble because of I and my husband though. Yeah, I don't want anything to happen to him, please. I'm just scared.
It's okay, Come on. Look, let's keep fingers crossed, okay? He will definitely call.
I just hope so, girl. I'm tired of everything. Like, what kind of temptation is this one? I just hope nothing has happened to him.
Nothing has happened to him, okay? Don't be negative about this. Nothing will happen to me.
So this is how Barry lost his life to a snake bite. The spiritualist I met told me the snake was sent to attack me. Who did I offend? Is it in connection with the same snake bite? For a reason I don't know. For the second time.
Sir, Miss Ada is here to see you.
Please tell her I'm not able to see anyone. Let me sort myself before they kill me. Hello, man of God. Are you in the office? Yes, something came up. Alright, I'm coming to see you.
Mama the mom.
Mama, hello. After you now you. Your shoe shine. Your face show.
Lose this guy, lose him. Who sent you after me? Who sent you to trail me? I am talking to you. Who sent you? Do you think I'm joking with you? Who sent you after me? You don't want to talk? Alright, boys, deal with this idiot until he is ready to talk.
I let you talk.
Stop. Are you now ready to talk? Or do you want him to kill you here? Who sent you after me?
No one sent me. No one sent me.
You lie. And you know you are lying. You feel you shouldn't talk to me. You don't want to say the truth? Alright. Boys.
Mother, I have been calling him and he's not taking his call. His number is not even going at all. I mean, how come he just disappeared after telling us that he saw Esther?
Are you sure some criminals have not attacked him?
I don't know. I don't know. I just feel something bad must have happened to him. I think... Mother, Elvis is the one calling.
Answer.
Hello, Elvis. Elvis, where have you been? We have been worried sick about you. What happened?
This is Esther, Joe's wife.
Esther, listen. Do not lay your filthy hands on that man. Do you hear me? Do not try it. Listen, you will not escape it. I swear to God, I will come for you and I will get you.
You sent your boyfriend after me, right? Now listen. Let this be the last time you can ever try this rubbish. Don't try it with me next time. Did you hear me? This is the last warning. If you dare me again, your husband's condition will be better than yours. Read my words. Your husband's condition will be better than yours.
Listen, you cannot do anything. Esther, you cannot do anything. If you think you are strong, come out from your hiding place. Let's do it woman to woman. Come out from your hiding place. You think you're strong. Come out now. Why are you hiding? Why?
Hiding? Hiding from who? From you? I cannot hide from a riffraff like you. I have just given you the last warning. As for your boyfriend here, the toy that you sent after me, he will come back with the remaining message to you. Fool. Deal with this idiot.
Esther, how can you be so wicked to someone that rendered help to you?
Open that gutter of yours to talk to me?
You beat the hand that fed you. How can you be so wicked?
How is it your business? How is it your business with the deal my husband had with his friend? How? I am trying to control myself, not to lay my hands on you. I will touch you.
It is my business from all indication. Evans is my friend, and I'm ready to lay down my life for him.
Make sure that you pay dearly for opening that gutter of yours to challenge me. I bet you.
What did she say? Angry. I just want to see Esther. I want to see her. I want to see her. But let's just do it woman to woman, mother. That lady is a beast. She's evil.
Calm down. Calm down. Do not wake your husband, please. Calm down. Oh, she has kidnapped Elvis.
She is currently with Elvis. I hate her. I just want to set my eyes on her. Let me set my eyes on that Jezebel. God! Damn!
You look so beautiful.
Thank you. Oh my God, I'm so good.
You're so sweet, my love.
Thank you.
What are you doing here?
Baby, who is this man in my house?
Will you shut up? What kind of person is that?
Oh, baby, who is he now?
Get lost. I said leave.
Okay.
I said leave.
Get out. Welcome, sir.
Stupid man.
It's alright, babe. It's okay. Don't let this guy spoil our mood, okay?
It's okay, babe. I'm sorry about that, okay?
It's alright, babe. But I think I need to leave, okay?
No, we don't need to.
No?
Better still, let's go to my room.
Are you sure about that? I don't want problems, okay?
No.
Baby!
That's my name.
I know.
Okay, you can just stay.
It's so bad. This is wickedness. Desperate woman. This is wickedness. And you're not forgotten to know. You cross boundaries. Pretend as well. You went extra mile just to achieve your evil doom. You must pay for all the...
I was about to come to your house this morning because I was worried. I want to go to the city to go and see how my son is.
Ojugo, we are very sorry for the little delay. But thank God everything has been settled. The needed rituals have been performed on behalf of our son, Evans.
Oh,
so
thank
we expect good news this
Thank
time.
God. So my son will be well again?
Yes, that is what Ezemo promised. The spirit of madness has been removed. Your son will be well again. He did no one wrong. Yes.
Paulinus, thank you so much. May God bless you.
You don't have to thank me. Evans is the man of the people. This land will not allow any evil to befall him.
So I am free to go to the city now.
You can now go and bring us good news.
Amen.
Good news.
Amen.
Oh yes.
Thank you.
Dalo. Dalo Rine. Let me run about there.
Whatever I did to you, please forgive me. Chief, return the favor back.
Who will take me to that witch before she kills me?
Chief, sorry, who are you talking about?
I'm talking about that idiot that her husband ran out with my money. She sent a strange snake to kill me. Eventually, it beat my friend Barry and he died instantly.
Oh my God, he died.
Please, how can I see her? Who will take me to her?
Elvis! Elvis! Elvis!
What happened to him?
Chief, that is the young man I sent to trail the lady you're talking about. And she ended up kidnapping him. Just look what she did to him.
Please, let's take him to hospital immediately.
Yes, please.
Babe, guess what?
What?
Your papers will be out tomorrow and you're leaving the country in 2 weeks' time.
Oh my God! Are you serious?
Yes, baby.
Like I'm gonna be in California in 2 weeks?
Exactly, my love. I want to spoil you silly, baby. I want to spoil you silly, my love.
Thank you.
You're welcome, baby.
Thank
you know, I told you I'm going to take you around the world. I'm going to make you the happiest lady on earth, baby. You know?
California,
here we go.
Oh my God.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Really?
What are you doing here?
My baby, my baby.
What is it? What is this?
Sorry, don't be angry now. I want to tell you something.
Tell me something. Tell me what?
It won't take time, just a few
You see
minutes.
that I'm in the middle of something. What is your problem?
It won't take time, just a few minutes. I'm done.
Now leave this place. Get out.
Now, can you tell you something?
Get out.
Okay.
Do you know you're foolish?
Take it easy, man.
Do you know you're a stupid man?
Baby. Baby, it's okay. It's okay. I won't disturb you again. Oh?
Get out.
Yeah.
Get out.
Why not again? You like enjoyment. Now, when he chop.
No, I didn't. It's okay, I'm fine.
Get out!
Oh,
come back. Come back. You're a foolish man. If there is anything that is more than being foolish, that is what you are. Yes. You're a very stupid man. Don't try to interrupt me next time.
It's okay. It's okay. It won't happen again. It won't happen again. Smile for me now.
Get out. Go to the kitchen. Wash up all those dirty plates and pots. Tidy up that kitchen.
It's okay. It's not a problem. It's okay. Nice nature, huh?
I'm fine. You can leave, okay?
Johanna, bear me.
Babe, you're so funny. Where did you pick this guy from?
I know.
It's okay. Very soon
Oh
you're
my
not
God.
having these issues again, okay?
I don't want to ever see his ugly face.
I know. Soon we're going uptown, baby. You know.
Joseph! Joseph! Joseph!
Mommy.
How dare you?
Yeah?
How dare you not to do what I asked you to do?
What is that? I did everything.
You did what?
I washed the plate and the pot.
Did you clean that kitchen?
Oh, the kitchen. The kitchen is not dirty.
Are you mad?
Mommy.
The kitchen is not what? You are just a fool. You are waiting for me to tell you to clean before you can clean it.
It's clean. It's not dirty.
I said move.
Hey!
Move! Come on!
Mommy! Hey!
Mama, I've been feeling weak lately. I don't know why.
Have you taken any medication?
No,
I know why. Who said my daughter is a barren woman? Oyokuria. Hilda.
Mama, thank God for what?
I think you are pregnant.
Really?
Hey!
Baby.
Hey, then what am I doing here? Why am I here? Mama.
Now, God of our ancestors, I thank you. You've liberated my son.
What am I doing? How long have I been?
No? How long? Hey!
Has Joe paid the money into my account? The 30 million naira.
30 million. You know what? Let me get the nuts.
How long have I been here?
God, I thank you. May your name be highly exalted. May your name be highly praised forever and ever.
Amen.
Hey!
You made me cry for you. You made me sad. You made me cry for you. You made me sad. You caused me pain, you broke my heart. Why all this wickedness on me?
Who is this place?
Whatever I did to you, please
What am I doing here?
return the favor back, because I'm in trouble.
This is not my room.
Return my favor
What am I doing here?
back. I am in trouble right now.
Grandma. Where am I and what am I doing here? What am I doing here? These things are not mine. And where is my wife? And my friends, Evans, I've not spoken with him in a long time. Where's my wife? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on?
I have transferred to 20 million naira to your account.
Oh, wow, babe. Thanks a lot. I'll make a refund back to you tomorrow once I resolve the issue in the bank, okay?
It's okay. It's no problem at all.
I know, baby. Okay, and should I drop you off at the shop so I can just run along?
Okay, that would be nice. In a hurry. Can we just finish our drink?
Oh, sure, your wish is my command. Okay, baby. You know, I love it when you smile because you look so beautiful.
Thank you. And you look cute too.
Thank you, my love. You're so sweet.
It's so bad. This is wickedness.
What is going on? Duke's number has been off since he left me. His number has never gone off before. What is going on?
You must pay for all this evil.
Who is Duke?
What kind of question is that?
Duke's number has been off since he left you. Who is he?
What kind of question are you asking me?
That doesn't answer my question. Meanwhile, what are we doing here? What's going on? And where is the money? I mean, all the money in my account. Where is it?
I don't understand. What are you asking me? Am I the one running your account?
You've not answered any of my questions. Maybe I'll allow you go in and freshen up. Then you come out and digest all the questions one after the other. Do you get that?
It's so bad. This is wickedness. Desperate woman. This is wickedness. Anyama fugantimo. You cross boundaries.
That's really happened.
Pretend as well. You went extra mile just to
Why would he talk to me like that?
You must pay for all this.
Something is wrong.
No hiding place for you. You must pay.
You shouldn't. My goodness. My goodness. Oh my God. Hey! I'm finished. I'm finished though. How did this get here? Oh my God, I'm finished too. He must have touched this. He must have touched this. What have you done? What have you done, Esther? Hey! Hey! I'm finished. I'm finished. Esther, you are gone. You are gone, no. He must have touched this. He must have touched this. What is this? Hey! 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 Baba! I need to go and say, Baba, this cannot be happening, no. I'm finished, oh. I'm gone, oh. Hey!
I am sure that girl did something to me. How could all my money disappear? All the money in my account disappear like that? Who is this Duke? I am sure he's the owner of that cap and t-shirt I saw in my room. Which means she has been bringing another man here. Chai.
I can't sleep in this house this night. This guy will kill me. I have to find my way out of this house so that I can see Baba first thing in the morning.
I will kill her this night if she doesn't tell me the truth. And what happened to all the money in my account? What happened to it?
If I ask you, have you seen devil before? If I ask you, have you seen devil before? What will be your answer? What will be your answer? Now I ask, money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one is enemy of man? 'Cause I'm confused, oh. Which one? I'm confused, is enemy of man? Jeremiah Ronya, one you be a boy. Udega de Roma, one you be Kakraka.
Baba, I'm in trouble. Baba, I'm in trouble. Baba, I have entered problem. You're the only one who can help me from this.
You caused the harm yourself. So you must be ready to face the consequences.
Papa, this is not the time for blame. This is not the time to apportion blame to anybody. You can't be blaming me. It don't happen. There's nothing I can do. You are my only hope, my only option, everything. But please, help me. Whatever is going to cost me, I will pay. Just mention it. Please. That's why I'm here. My husband is looking for me everywhere. He wants to kill me. I can't go to my house. If I enter my house now, I'm a dead person. Biko, please.
There's only one way, but it will be difficult.
But there's nothing that will be difficult in this situation. Mention it. Just say the amount. I will pay for this one to be done. Papa, I am ready to pay. I am ready. Please, just tell me the amount. You're ready? Yes, Baba.
You have to sleep with me. That is the only condition.
Baba, you can't say that. Baba, have you forgotten I'm a married woman? You want to worsen the whole thing. I'm still saying that I've entered trouble one side. You want me to enter from another side? Papa, that one cannot work. Now, say something else, I will do that one. But this one, Patawa, Biko.
Leave here now. I cannot help you anymore.
Are you serious?
Yes. I say leave here. If you don't leave now, I will send an illness. Leave.
Baba, I'm ready. Yes, I accept. I'll do it. When do you want it? Now? Later? You want me to? Where are we going to do it, Biko? Save me from this. I'm already almost gone.
It is done.
Omo, I know say she go don try call my number tire. Chai, 20 meter for my account. Omo, she even pay twice of the amount sef. Man, I have to leave this country as soon as possible. As in, I have to leave. Hi. This is an example for those desperate ladies out there. They have to be contented with what they have. Just look at the way she's treating a fellow guy like me. Omo, that woman na wincho. Anyway, the money don't enter her account like this. Omo. Hey, I don't have man. Hi. Chai.
Baby.
Hey!
Baby.
Give a woman.
Baby.
Hey!
Baby, I'm sorry.
Don't come close to me. Don't ever son. Then that you know. Then. I'm sorry
about that.
Sorry, kill you. Sorry, kill you dead.
I don't need my hands there up.
Stop touching this wall. Stop touching this wall.
I'm sorry.
Where are you coming from? What are you doing here?
Please, oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Don't come close to me, oh. The beginning. Give them food. Yeah? What is it now? Leave me alone now. Yeah, I'll. Hey! Stop! Hey! Don't answer! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Answer! Sir? I don't know what happened, bro. She went and did charm and charmed me. All this while, I don't even know myself. I just realized myself. Okay, now she has gone to redo the charm and came back here to touch me, so I start falling for her again. But I've realized myself. I know what I'm doing now. I don't even know what she did to my friend.
You will know when you get to the police station. Officer, arrest her.
No, listen to me. Let me explain. I'm explaining to you. Don't allow her to touch you because she's carrying charm here.
Arrest her immediately. Chelon, I have something to say now. Let me say something, please, brother. Brother, sorry. You see, everything my husband is saying is true. I did them. I fuck up. I'm sorry. Because no, I did all of them. I did it.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Why are you this wicked? Why?
What exactly can I do for you now?
My husband borrowed money from somebody. I don't want him to return that money back to the owner. I want him to do whatever I ask him to do concerning that money.
Is that all?
No, that's not all. The person that borrowed that money to him, I want him mad. I want him to run mad. So that everything about that money will wipe out of his brain, his sense, his life.
That will cost you 300,000 naira.
That's too much now. Only 200 from me, Biko.
Do you have the 200 here?
Yes, I have.
Drop it on the floor. You can go now. Everything will be done accordingly. See?
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, yeah? I hate that. Because everybody forgive me. I did everything. I didn't know when it happened. Therefore, they won't kill me. I killed me. I killed myself.
That's the way we're going to make sure you rot in jail.
Aye.
You're evil. Officers, do your job.
Get up! Get up! You want us to leave? No, not the first. Not first.
Stand up! Get up! Stand up! Move! Move! Your confession has not finished.
You sent a snake to kill me.
What?
Oh!
Not be me sent. I did not send. No.
Oh, give one. Sir, you are right. Who are you cheating?
It's Baba sent it. Baba sent it.
And you paid him to kill me. Eventually, my friend took the bite.
Officers, please take them.
Daddy,
Daddy, please. Ask her to remove all these things she's wearing. That's charm. Before you know it now, she turned to snake.
I said take it off.
Anaconda.
Daddy. Remove it. Do you want me to use
Ask her to remove everything.
Remove it.
Remove it.
Remove it.
You come to touch me again, so I'll start doing mumu for you. Remove it. Watch Anya. Watch Anya. Anaconda now. Ask her to remove everything.
Drop it.
Don't touch it.
Drop it.
Daddy, you know, yeah. Daddy, go there. Look at.
I said drop
my
it.
wife.
I will use force on you.
Get up.
Take her out. I said move.
Move! Daddy! Hey!
Stop going my face.
Daddy!
Anaconda! What's you, boom?
My friend, please, I'm sorry. For all I did to you. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. It's the bad woman that I married.
Make sure you recover all the money in her account.
I will do that.
We still need the money.
Okay. Hey, thank you, bro. Thank you. Hey, yeah? Yolomia, please beg him for me, okay? Nah, I'll see you, okay? Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate. Hey, Chief. Eh? So she sent a snake to you. Chief in that vam. Hey! I'm gonna make it a one anaconda. Hey! Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Thank you for saving me. Thank you. This lady, Butagon. Hi. Oh! Your pencil. It's yours.
Hey! Wow. Hey! See money. Above see money. See better money now. See money. Hey! Please! Your hands on the edge! Touch them. Your hands on the edge. Touch them very well. Okay, I don't have anything now. Shut up. Step aside. Son, be careful. Why are you romancing me now? Okay, keep quiet. Yeah. Move! Officer, take the bag. Take the bag. Put the money inside. Where?
If I ask you, have you seen devil before? If I ask you, have you seen devil before? What will be your answer? What will be your answer? Now I ask, money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one is enemy of man? Money and woman, which one is enemy of man?